Today we're going to cover the 620M cleaning and maintenance for the system. With regular and consistent cleaning, your system will last for many years and produce reliable data from your experiments. The first section that we're going to cover is the daily cleaning procedure. This should be done after every experiment. The first thing you need to do is remove the tissue from your chamber. Then you will take 8% acetic acid and fill the chamber to the top. Make sure to leave your gas bubbling on. If you turn the gas off with your buffer still in the chamber, the buffer over time will start to harden and block that line. Let the 8% acetic acid bubble for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This will remove any calcium deposits or other buildups. Then remove the acid from the bath. Take a cotton swab and rub the chamber. Be cautious to avoid the transducer side and the mount. You do not want to damage that. Then take distilled water, fill your chamber 3 times, and empty it. You will do this 3 times and empty the chambers. At the end of every experiment after your cleaning, you will want to look at the grease that's surrounding the transducer pin and the grease along the edge of the transducer housing. You will want to make sure that you see grease there on both of these spots. And if not, you will take your clear grease that came with your system and just use a pipette tip and add that in those 2 spots that were mentioned. If you used hydrophobic reagents in your experiment, you may need to clean it with 96% ethanol to thoroughly clean the chambers. In the event that you used extreme compounds or chemicals, something highly resistant or toxic, you can use 1 molar hydrochloric acid. You can fill the chamber and leave it for up to 1 hour. Make sure in either instance to thoroughly wash the chambers with distilled water. And in the event that you use hydrochloric acid, make sure that all liquid is out of the chambers. And never use bleach in the chambers or the system. For more detailed or specific information on the compounds that you can use to clean the system, please refer to the 620M user guide, or more information can be found in the 620M user manual or additional resource videos.